At Virtual Sermon, faculty advisors, head delegates, and observers are free to visit any of the Sermon Zoom committee meeting rooms, but there are some guidelines. If you are a head delegate that is participating in a specific sermon committee, then this video is not for you. And you must watch the Virtual Sermon Delegate Zoom Features video that's now available on YouTube and the sermon.org website. If you are a head delegate that is not participating in a specific committee, then this video applies to you, along with faculty advisors and observers. All right, let's begin. First, you must remain muted at all times. This includes whenever a committee is in an unmoderated caucus. During an unmoderated caucus, you are free to observe any of the available breakout rooms. Second, we encourage, but it's not required, for you to have your cameras turned on. Third, remember to rename yourself to include your title, whether that's head delegate, observer, or faculty advisor, and include your name. You may rename yourself by clicking on the Participants feature, hover over your name, select More, and press Rename. For example, you can rename yourself as Faculty Advisor, Jane Smith, or Head Delegate, Jane Smith, or Observer, Jane Smith. This will help us identify all of the registrants of the sermon conference and ensure our committee staffers keep track of delegate numbers. Fourth, faculty advisors, observers, and head delegates should not use Zoom's chat feature within the committee meeting room to communicate with the committee staff or their delegates. You may email the committee dais using their committee email address, which is located on the sermon website, the committee background guides, and the delegate resource guide. You may also use outside channels and methods to maintain contact with your delegates. Fifth, please refrain from using Zoom's nonverbal feedback feature and the raise hand feature during a committee's Zoom meeting room. Finally, as a reminder, all faculty advisors, head delegates, and observers will receive all of the Zoom meeting room ID details approximately 1 week before the start of the virtual sermon conference. If you have any questions, either now or during the conference, you may email info@sermon.org.